It's Saturday and it's starting to get creepy. I feel like I'm being watched. All right, there's John just mounting as many GoPros as he possibly can on my truck.
So John, we won't start him until that first stop though.
That one here now. I probably just could steal this and keep it for myself. John's ready.
But we won't run him until the first stop.
Oh, okay.
So we're hoping to go out to, there's Kristen, this is her last day. So we're hoping to get some kind of storms out by San Simon, because if we go any further east, Ben is gonna freak out if we get to New Mexico. So we're gonna see what we can do to keep the storms in Arizona. And then if they don't go in Arizona, we will give Ben a sleeping pill, and then he'll not know what happened. But so we're hoping for good storms today for the last day for Kristen. And I think Jeff might be hanging out a little longer, so maybe he'll get some. So.
Yeah.
I don't know where he's going with the tripod. John has decided to quit. He's out. I don't know where he's gonna go. At least it's not really hot out, but it's 95 and getting warmer. So I don't know where John's going.
He's going for a hike.
We're waiting for the storms over there in the White Mountains in New Mexico to make their way to us. We only have 3 or 4 hours to wait, which is great for Ben, because we like to sit around for a couple hours and film stuff. So we'll hopefully get everything filmed, and then when it's go time, it'll be go time. And that's Blake. He's a hero. We're here, we pulled over at the spot to do some stuff, and we got a little tiny storm going up, starting to drop some rain.
They call those the long hairs.
Never heard that.
The Navajos.
Oh.
You get the rain dripping down.
The long hairs? Really?
Long hairs.
Oh.
The long hairs are coming down.
We call them Virga, but I wonder where that came from. The origin.
You wouldn't call that Virga.
A little bit.
Really?
Before it reaches
But
the ground.
before? Oh, okay. I thought Virga is just the term if it never reaches the ground.
It's the term of rain before it is actually
Okay.
not actually going down.
This is great. Cool little isolated storm out here. I'm hoping a secondary updraft is going up to keep this thing going, but nice downdraft. Hopefully some lightning. Really pretty. Kristen's talking about it over there.
We are seeing essentially the air moving up in that updraft. You can see it from the cauliflower parts, the fluffy parts on the top of the cloud.
As we sit here and wait, look at this rainbow from that dying storm a while ago. It's pretty. Very nice. Dennis is getting it all in with the cameras. It's chow time. Renee and Harlan made some epic food. Here we are at night. Finally got some good lightning today. Over there.
Yeah, we're good now actually, thanks. So, sorry, Renee, you could go back behind me now, I think, yeah, thanks. Sorry, yeah, Jeff, just take 2 steps out and come in and
when you do that, you narrow your angle of view, obviously, so it makes getting the bolt in the frame a little more difficult. So I got one that was on the far right of the frame, but then we got 2 afterwards that were really nice. One that was actually exceptional at 2,000 frames. It's gorgeous. You can actually see when it strikes the ground, you can see the orange glow from where the fire is happening, or the glow that happens when the strike happens at night.
Wait for it.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Gorgeous. Wow.
See the glow there?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Wow. That's great. All right. 1:38 in the morning. Long day, but man, it was worth it. We were southwest of Lordsburg and got Kristen some really good nighttime lightning. I mean, look at this shot. I mean, these bolts hitting the mountain here, and I actually can zoom in on the computer and pan around. Just astounding to see the bolts hitting the mountains like that. And that was one of them, and then this one is also very cool. I like, you can see that one hitting there, but then also this one right on the slopes. Very, very cool shot. If I zoom out, looks kind of nice. So that was great. We really worked hard to forecast today. We decided to be very patient and wait for sunset, and it paid off. And not like it was a prolific amount of lightning, but it was good, and Dustin got some slow-mo, so I feel like we did really good today. Well, it's Sunday, and we haven't done much today, sitting around there doing interviews, but I couldn't help myself and had to race off. We got a beautiful isolated storm in Gates Pass right now. Was dropping a lot of lightning, haven't seen too many, but the trigger's been firing. Would really like a big positive out of this thing so that I could maybe see where it lands. You know me, I would like to get on the other side of those mountains, but this is a very beautiful storm and a great spot, so just enjoying it. It's building up again, it seems like, in front, so maybe it'll keep coming this way. We'll see. Oh, I see it kicking out. Maybe some dust. Ugh. Hey, guy. Coyotes. Right. Hey, what are you doing? Hey. Well, it's actually incredible that we actually get on a really nice downburst at perfect time, and it's not going to drop any bolts for us. I just don't understand. Slow-mo cam set up. Everything's been dropping lightning all day, but we get on this one finally. We finally get out and chase, get on this, and the lightning is way over there, but not here when it's just dumping on this mountain. We just can't get nothing.
Mike, if you just come down the
Shuffle down to your right.
Here we are.
So yeah, what I do is
We're ready.
yeah, pick up.
All right, Monday. Just did a nice zoom with a bunch of awesome chasers. Now we're getting remote COVID tests. It's big time. This is the big time. I just laugh at me. Ben's so tired, poor guy. He's so tired. But we got lucky today. Nice overcast, like 80 degrees. It's perfect.
Where I can see your eyes.
Oh, you want to see that?
Because you got the
Blake
truck in
is
the
just
back
a-
of shot,
yeah,
and he'll be
hero,
talking straight
man.
to me
He's the
still.
man.
And you can just follow back. We'll just do that little bit about.
Alrighty. Let's
We've got that cutaway from the front now.
What I need really is a little city doodah here.
Do you want the pelly?
I do.
Oh, shit.
It's all coming down.
It's a big wind. It's a big wind. All right, we're walking to some interview spot for me. I'm the last one to go. Sucks. Can't get over how freaking green it is. All right, I should follow you since I have no idea where I'm going. Oh.
Just watch out for anything basking on the road.
Oh, I would like to see that. Look at these flowers. It's unbelievable. This is not even spring. We're in August and the flowers out right now are just incredible. In fact, they're growing so much, they're almost covering the trail. Like it's just, the growth is crazy. Wow. Had to hike so far, sweating, had to take my shirt off, which is just horrifically embarrassing. I need to get in shape and get a tan, but here we are. I mean, it's not a bad view. These guys are amazing to work with. So nice, and hopefully this goes well.
No, I mean, it's never going to go full But it's just, you're getting a little bit of backlight.
It's good. It's a little backlight. It's not as pretty as Kristen's
No.
and Jeff's, but Jeff was also pretty sweaty.
It's better than Jeff's second one.
Second.
It is, yeah. Jeff didn't pop him first. You've got to pop him first. So you better deliver.
I just recorded all that. I'm going to send it to
Yeah.
Jeff, and then I'm going to blackmail you before I do
Yeah,
that.
you can send it as an example of BBC bullying going on. Better pop him first, God damn it. We've all walked up here.
Oh my God, Blake, do that again.
The psychological pressures.
It's funny.
Huge.
The moment.
So,
Not
not over camera, you mean?
Renee's the best.
Yeah, let's have that
Harlan's
rather
all right,
than-
too.
than the-
4 corners. Film something. Name your company. 4 corners. What's the name of the business? Your company.
You should know that.
I know. Never mind. We're doing my interview, and the most greatest sunset has come out, and they were so worried about bad light and being so dull. And then on the other side, we've got a rainbow behind these guys, which is just magical, and all the saguaro. It was great. What a great way to kind of finish this.
Right, let's do that. I will not.
Be able to hold
Wow.
the exposure on those spots.
Wow, wow, wow. Amazing sunset out here.
So under here, the foreground, it
I don't want to just say anything, but this is what usually happens when I'm around. And so you're all worried about the light, but then we get this, baby. This is great. Everyone's loving this. Except Joe, he's busy working. Come on.
Give me that microphone.
Oh, yeah. There was an awesome rainbow. Now it's gone, sadly. But the sunset is just, what a great finish to this.
Yeah,
Although,
perfect.
it should be the ending, but I still got to drive. I got to do driving shots, I think, still. Yeah? Are you guys done?
Oh,
Wednesday we're doing driving.
yeah.
Yeah.
Tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wednesday.
Sad.
I don't know.